Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I just cleaned up the red moose. As you can see, the result is amazing, like always. This time we're gonna install some new stuff right here. I will show you guys what it's about. Check that out. This is the LED rear lamp that goes right there. So I'm gonna replace that factory one for this one, smoke finish with LED. They had the red LED and it's gonna be amazing. Also, what else we have? Here the side markers, LED red also in the smoke finish that goes right there. So I'm gonna replace that factory one with these ones, and check that out. Nice. This is the factory reverse lamp. I'm gonna replace it with this beautiful, check that out, the smoke finish also, nice and clean. Besides of the reverse lamp, they have red color lamp for brake and night light, so that's gonna be awesome. Okay guys, I'm gonna head install these things. I will show you how to do it. I have to remove the whole bumper to get easy access for this lamp in order to remove it, and also I have to wire. I have to do some wiring for the stop lamp, and that's it. I think it's gonna be easy. We show you guys the process, so you can guys do it for yourself. Okay, so let's start. This is the tool that you're gonna use. You can use the handle or the drill, the impact drill, with a 7mm and 10mm socket. This is just for do the installation of the wiring, thermodetectile and soldering, the tapes, flat screwdriver, a crimper, clip remover, cutter, and tape sides. Alright, that's the only thing that you need to install. So the first step, you have to remove the stop lights, and that is pretty easy. Just behind of this panel, and this panel is 3 bolts, and you can get off the lights from the car, and that's gonna be the first step. So let's do it. Right, so we're gonna grab a 10mm socket, remove the bolts, the other one at the bottom, and the other one. Alright, I'm gonna do it. Once you have done with that bolt, you have to remove the harness of the lamp, take it off a little bit, the rubber right there, and you're free to remove the headlight just like that. Alright, so let's put this right here, and then do the same on the other side. And that's not expected. Holy crap, sometimes you don't see this. Damn, I don't like it. I'm gonna clean it up, everything here. So alright, the next step is remove some clips right here inside of the wheel, one here, one other here, and a bolt right there and 2 bolts that are behind it in this cloth. So let's do this. You have to remove these two right here, this one and this one. Next step is gonna be in here in the middle. You're gonna find these 2 screws. You have to remove it. You remove all the bolts under. You only have to do is clip it off this bumper just like this, and do the same all the way in the trim, in the middle, at the other side, and that's gonna be all in order to remove the bumper. So check that out. The bumper is off. When you are removing the bumper, you have to disconnect this harness right here. It goes to the bumper, and here we got the bumper. So it's gonna be more easy to install the reverse lamp camera. Also, this right here has a little bolts right there. I'm gonna show you with a lamp after, but I don't know if you guys can see it. There is a bolt right there that hold it up. This lamp is not a lamp, but it's okay. These ones are more easier. You can do it even if with the bumper on. You don't have to remove the bumper in order to change this side marker. It's easy to do. It's just for this guy right here. So let's do everything else. Okay, next step, you have to remove this wire, this harness wires from here. It's gonna be easier from here, and then you have to remove this plastic trim. You just have to remove this clip out. It's just bend a little bit of this clip like this, and it's easy to go just like that, you see. So do the same in all this, like this, and you can remove this plastic trim to get access to the bolts right there. So okay, I will do it and I will talk to you guys later. Check that out. The plastic, I don't know, it's like a frame or something is off. So now you have access to these 2 bolts and these other 2 bolts, and that's it. That's gonna be enough for remove the reverse lamp. Also, it's gonna be more easy to remove this one right here that hold the other lamp, and this is just one clip, and this one's is just disconnect and just pull it off right here, and that's gonna be all to remove these side marks, and that's it. Okay, let's do it. So all the lamps are off from the bumper. You know what? I'm gonna stop right here because I'm gonna clean it up this thing a little bit. Also in here, check that out, guys. A lot different. A lot of difference, especially here. It was a lot of dust, mud, everything. And over there also. Now it's dry and clean. Peel off this. Nice. Wow, check that out, guys. Beautiful. Perfect. Okay, guys. So what we do is put in there, and as you can see, it's fitting right away. Put the screw back and do the same with the others. Everything is bought on. Now it's looking amazing. Look at that. Really nice. Really nice. So next step is putting back that reinforced piece in the bumper, and then do the wiring. The factory harness, and in order to connect the side markers, you just have to reuse the ball base connector. So you have to do is remove the bolt and reuse this connector in order to lighten up the new side marker. Now, as you can see, we have one side is black, one side is a purple, or another color. We know the black is negative, is the ground, so you have to connect the plug, the LED plug, in that side. And then you just plug it in, and that's gonna be all. Right, after this, I'm going to protect this wire with this tape. This is nice tape for protect this wire. I'm gonna run the wire to here. Same thing with this one to here, and then as you can see, you have here the instructions, and the yellow wire is gonna be the rear fog. I'm gonna use that for the brake light. So this one I have to run into the car, they came long enough. So the next one is gonna be the red wire, is the running light position. So that's gonna be connected with these green wires, which is the marker, the back marker, and the white wire is gonna be the backup. The backup light is this one right here, the green factory one. So I'm gonna do is replace. I'm gonna go cut this connector off and then connect this wire. I'm gonna use soldering.
Play your part.
Now check that out, guys, how nice and clean this came out. So now you have like a factory connection right there. So I run behind of this trim, this wire, so I can connect everything here in here, because I have here the running lamps wiring. So I'm going ahead and connect these two back marks and this one right here, and then running this wire to the connector in the vehicle. All right, let's do it. check that out, guys. Everything is done already. Everything is connect. Look at this. I run the extra wire right here for the brake lights. I'm gonna use a fast connector after, but this is pretty much that we need to do. And check everything out. Everything came out very good, like a factory. So pretty much done in the bumper. Now we have to run the wire. Right here is the connector of the factory car, so we're gonna run the wire using this grommet, and we will connect to the stop lamp harness. So I will show you guys how to do it. Hey, check that out. So I'm just running the wire through the factory harness. It's pretty easy to do. I just get out this thing out, and then open up all the wiring and put it through there, and it's not too hard to do it. It's pretty easy. So now we have to run this wire right here. I just figured out that I cannot put it in the tail light because this car they have a module that control the headlight, and it's not like a normal stop light. So I have to run this wire actually to the third light harness that is inside the car. Maybe in one side it's gonna be easy, but I will do it, and I will show you guys how to do it, because it's the only way, all right, to do the things right. Okay, let's do it. All right, so check it out. I run the wire through right there. You can see it's like a little hole right there in the corner. Okay, so that goes in here to here. All right, now inside of the car, you guys just need to do is pull off these plastic covers, and you're gonna see the wire right here. You see that hole right there? It's pretty easy to do. So you have to run the wire like this side. You see the wire is coming from here. You have to do the same thing here. So you have to run the wire up here, and running the wire over here to the third stop lamp right there. So you guys have to connect in the orange or brown wire right there, which is the red one in the other side. And that's gonna be all. It's not too complicated. It was easy to do. It's the easiest way to do it. It's not too complicated. So okay, let me do it, and I will talk to you later, guys. Alright guys, everything inside is done. So we have now signal from the third light right here. As you can see, guys, now everything is clean and nice. It's so better now. I can sleep now. Look at that, guys. Everything is clean now. Alright, so next step, we got to push in on and test everything out. Okay, let's do it. Wow, guys, that was amazing. I love it. Alright guys, so everything is done, and the wiring and all the installations. So we just need to do is reinstall the taillights, all the bolts at size, the clips, reinstall the piece inside, everything inside, and done. The bumper is on, and now I can see a nice marks right there, and this thing is looking so good. I love it. All right, let's test it out. Oh guys, look at that. Wow, awesome. Damn. This is dope. I love it. It's so bright. Let's check it out. This one. Oh, look at that. Damn, so good. Oh man. Look how clean it is. Damn, it's nice and clean. Wow, man, looking so good. All right, let's check it out, the reverse. Nice, look at that. Oh, so good. Look how bright it is, man. Nice touch, nice, very nice touch. Now I have to check it out, the brake light. I don't know how, but you guys will see it. I don't will see it, but it's gonna be okay. Okay guys, this is everything in this video. I hope you guys like it. As you can see, the result is amazing. It was pretty easy to install. It just took me like 3 or 4 hours, but you know, recording everything and show you guys step by step, I know you guys can do it in less time. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, press like button, and share this video. See you next time. Bye. Thank you.